Very often, a user is unable to remember the password that he created for a website. In such circumstances, the forgot password link comes to his rescue. It is one of the most important links on a login form, and in this tutorial, we shall implement the functionality for a forgot password link. Let's go. So how does it work? When a user clicks the forgot password link, he is taken to a page where he is asked to enter his email. Then this email is used to generate a password reset token, and for security purposes, a link containing the token is emailed to the user. The link points to a reset password page where most of the work happens, but will be added in the next tutorial only. If you are following the course, then the complete source code for this tutorial has been provided in your downloads section. Open the Solution Explorer and locate the auth area. Right-click the Pages folder and add a page called Forgot Password. Let us examine the markup file forgotpassword.cshtml. This page has to present a form that obtains email from the user. First, we have the directives for page, model and add tag helper. Then we have a tag to present a validation summary of the model errors. An HTML table has been used to create a form. The first TR row is for the email input text box. This input is connected to a backing property called user ID. Lastly, we have the submit button for posting the forgot password form. Next, let us examine the backing class. Open the Solution Explorer and double-click to open the file forgotpassword.cshtml.cs. This is the code for the forget password model backing class. First, we have the namespace directives. Then we have the forgot password model class. The class has been marked as allow anonymous so that it is publicly available to a user who has no means to log in into our website. User ID is the bind property that is connected to the input text box for the email and contains the email entered by the user. Constructor-based dependency injection has been used to obtain the user manager service. We have cached the instance as a read-only member. The onPost method executes when the user submits and posts the form. The email is used to query the identity user for this email ID. If the user cannot be found, or if the user can be found but he hasn't yet confirmed his email, then a suitable failure message is added and presented as a validation failure. Otherwise, a password reset token is generated. The token is then encoded as a base64 string. In a real application, we would use the url.page method to create a link to the reset password page and email it to the user. Here we have commented this part because we are doing a tutorial and we will not be able to send an email. For the sake of this tutorial, we shall immediately redirect the user to reset password page. And as we already told, the reset password page would be added in the next tutorial. Let us test what we have done so far. Open the Solution Explorer and run the project to open the login page. Locate the password link and click it. That brings us to a form for resetting the password. Enter an email that has not been registered yet. Submit the form. We verify that we are indeed shown a failure message. Next, enter a verified email. Submit the form. In this case, we verify that we are redirected to the reset password page, a page that is yet to be added. Things are working as expected, and in the next tutorial we shall add the reset password page. Thanks.